Alameda County orders Tesla Fremont plant to stop production. Alameda County officials sent a letter to a top Tesla safety employee Monday ordering the company to cease manufacturing at its Fremont plant, the strongest step local government has taken to check the electric car maker's defiance of health orders. Can you imagine after President Trump says, let them work, after the Secretary of Treasury supports with Tesla, everybody but the county is making this letter again. San Francisco Chronicle previously reported some production lines began running over the weekend and some employees returned to the plant as early as last week. Alameda County's local shelter-in-place orders, in place since mid-March, do not allow for manufacturing, though Tesla initially defied them, delaying the shutdown of vehicle production. Now, San Francisco Chronicle is reporting that Alameda County today sent Tesla a letter saying that Tesla needs to stop the production. The letter from Alameda County Healthcare Services Agency Director Colin Chawla to a top Tesla executive reiterates that the company can only perform basic functions at the plant until the county and Tesla agree on a plan to reopen the factory in line with state and local rules. Quote, until then, however, you must maintain no more than minimum basic operations. End of the quote. Chawla wrote to Lori Shelby, Vice President of Environmental Health and Safety at Tesla. A statement posted on the Alameda County Sheriff's Twitter page Monday said the Public Safety Agency has also informed Tesla it could only perform basic functions. It stopped short of ordering the plant to close. Under Alameda County shelter-in-place orders, non-essential businesses can perform some limited functions, such as processing payroll and maintaining inventory. Look what they said in this letter. We are addressing this matter using the same phased approach we use for other businesses which have violated the order in the past, and we hope that Tesla will likewise comply without further enforcement measures, the sheriff's statement said. Not in the letter, but this was the sheriff's statement. Now, it was not clear if Tesla had responded to the letter from Chawla. That we do not know yet, but maybe, Elon Musk maybe will have a tweet about this or something. We expect something like that to come by the end of the day. The company did not immediately respond to San Francisco Chronicle's email request for comments. And we haven't seen any comments coming from Elon Musk on Twitter either. In that letter, Chawla, the Alameda Health County official, acknowledges the county has been working with Tesla on a reopening plan over the last 2 weeks. Quote, per our communication of earlier today, you will be submitting Tesla's site-specific plan to me later today, Chawla wrote in that letter, according to Chronicle. Quote, we will review that plan once we receive it and will schedule time to review our feedback with you within 24 hours. You see, this is already good. It used to be like 1 week or so. Now it's getting to, we will respond within 24 hours. Those discussions appear to be ongoing despite CEO Elon Musk's announcement of the reopening of the plant on Twitter. Musk said that any restrictions of business operations on Twitter and said it would move the company headquarters from Palo Alto in response. He decried them. Musk sent employees an email early Tuesday, as I reported on this channel, congratulating them on the reopening. According to Chronicle, the email said, an honest day's work spent building products or providing services of use to others The other is extremely honorable, Elon Musk wrote in that email, which was obtained by the Chronicle. Quote, I have vastly more respect for someone who takes pride in doing a good job, whatever the profession, than some rich or famous person who does nothing useful. Famous person who does nothing useful. End of the quote. Musk wrote apparently in that email, Chronicle reports. Tesla released a quote return to work playbook over the weekend, which outlines increased safety measures like handing out masks and temperature scanning at the plant. I reported about that yesterday, and I delineated and detailed what measures Tesla is taking. You can look in our channel, friends, and see what's in that report, and you can see what Tesla is doing. Tesla sued the country, had a lawsuit in federal court over the weekend, demanding they be allowed to operate the Fremont electric car plant under state rules, which they argue supersedes Alameda County restrictions. State rules around some manufacturing have been loosened by local authorities, are free to enforce stricter measures to curb the virus, something Governor Gavin Newsom repeated during a press conference Monday. Newsom also said yesterday the developing agreement between the county and Tesla had been for the plant to reopen next week. It was not clear why Elon Musk was unsatisfied with the prospect of even a short delay in the plant reopening. But if you ask me, this is a question that Chronicle was asking. But if you ask me, 1 week is not a short delay. There are 10,000 employees. These people have to feed their families. They have to eat. Maybe they have financial difficulties. I don't know. County officials were also envisioning allowing the plant to reopen soon before Musk made his abrupt move. Alameda County Supervisor Scott Hagerty, whose district includes Tesla's Fremont plant, said he was, quote-unquote, confident, end of the quote, that health officials and Tesla would have reached a plan to have the plant reopened with a May 18 target date, according to Sean Wilson, his chief of staff. Now, the electric car maker Tesla sent the majority of its over 10,000 employees at the Fremont plant home in late March, after initially remaining open for nearly a week after the shelter-in-place orders took effect. County officials were also envisioning allowing the plant to reopen soon before Musk made his abrupt move. So this is the situation we have. Apparently, Tesla was working with the county officials, and they had a May 18 target date. And then Elon Musk is frustrated with the situation, with the delays, because, companies need to work, and especially everything apparently is opening up around the nation, and there is a lot of support coming from the president, from the secretary of treasury, from the two local mayors, the mayor of Palo Alto, where Tesla's autopilot team is located, and the mayor of Fremont, and there are also some officials in California. So all this support, and Elon Musk is frustrated and wants to get the company started. 7 days is not a small amount of days. It's not a small number for opening the business. And then Elon Musk decides to start the production. County now, today, after all this support, after even president speaking, says no, you have to stop. Reports San Francisco Chronicle, the link of which I will provide in the description of this video. Please check it out for your reference. But what was interesting in today's email, if you noticed, Alameda County says that if Tesla has to stop, send us the plan, Tesla's plan, and Alameda County can get back to Tesla within 24 hours. That means within 24 hours, that means getting back maybe with a decision or something. I don't know, but it seems like Alameda County may be softening its position, basically saying, okay, it's not 1 week, but let's do this. Let's do this. Let's fix this situation, huh? You stop the operation today, send us the plan within 24 hours, which maybe within 2 hours or 3 hours, we'll get back to you and we'll have an agreement. As a result, both parties will save face, which is a good thing, which is a good agreement. So let's see how things go. Hopefully there will be some solution and some agreement between all parties, and the business can move forward with safety of everyone and everything in place. Well, friends, thanks for watching. Let me know what you think about this, and I would like to ask you to please join our community, subscribe to our channel, like this video, and ring the notification bell. And also, if you would like to support us to keep our independence, please send us an upload. You will see if you're watching on desktop, it's next to the like button. If you send us one upload once a month, which is only $2, we would greatly appreciate it, and it will help us to keep going. Again, thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day. Take good care of each other. Stay safe, and God bless you. And I'll see you in our next report.